This is a big robot harvesting strawberry fruit. There is something very interesting about the harvester robot innovation. Those are the method and process of strawberry farming with modern hydroponic methods. Maybe all of you are familiar with the hydroponic growing method, right? The hydroponic growing method has many advantages. It can save land and it's not require a lot of water. Another advantage, it can also increase production 4 times than ordinary plantations. Strawberry gardens usually grow 50,000 strawberry plants per hectare. While applying a hydroponic system, farmers can grow up to 200,000 plants per hectare. Farming with hydroponic methods have a lot of different treatments and technologies in each agricultural company to increase crop yields. But they have one thing in common, namely farming without using soil media. The way is using running water and done vertically. It aims to increase the available agricultural land area. One company that offers hydroponic strawberry farming techniques is NGI's, or a new growing system company from Europe. NGI's hydroponic equipment and systems have been widely applied in many European states. The production system is designed for the cultivation of various types of crops without the use of subsystems. It allows management of closed-circuit applications by circulating nutrient solutions. With this method, farmers can also increase plant density by providing a unique space for plants to develop naturally. Polyethylene technology is used to develop roots. This system also provides a solution to supply the nutrients and minerals needed for growth and development. With a layered polyethylene frame design, it is proven to encourage root growth and develop by optimizing the available space. In addition, this technology can optimize the absorption of water and nutrients. The layered polyethylene design in this planting medium is designed to resemble a waterfall flow that provides perfect access to the roots. It aims to get oxygen nutrient solutions. This will contribute to better plant development. The system also provides complete control over the farmer's crops, responding to the needs of plant psychology and market demand. In addition, A closed water circuit system can optimize the use of water that is usually waste in other systems. Water will be accommodated in the reservoir and recirculated. It can optimize water use. This greenhouse roof design is designed to have a gutter at the top of the building. This is useful for collecting all the rain or dew in the morning, which sends it to the reservoir. With good rainfall, agricultural land can become 80% self-sufficient from outside water supply. Strawberry NGI's hydroponic farming system can become agricultural with 0% waste. NGS agricultural technology can be applied in the dry cities. The use of a sensor system allows the control of climate control, or the air in the greenhouse can be carried out automatically. It can increase crop yields and set harvest time. You can see when the system is working. When the temperature rises inside the greenhouse, the vents will open, allowing air to enter the greenhouse so that it can cool the temperature inside. In addition, the planting medium will rotate periodically. Each plant receives the same treatment, both in terms of temperature and intensity of sunlight.